Hello, in this video we will see how to trigger a WhatsApp message on form submission. So here is the form. Go to responses, click on link to sheets, create a new spreadsheet, click on create. Kindly remove these responses from the sheet name. Now click on extensions, app scripts. Delete this, copy this into app script. This is given in description. Paste it here. Give an appropriate project name. So for example, WhatsApp updates. Rename. Now go to Automation Builder. Click on webhook, custom webhook. Give a webhook title. Generate hook. Copy the webhook URL. In the app scripts, replace this webhook URL with the URL. Click on Save Project. Now go to Triggers. Click on Add Trigger. On Form Submit. Select Event Source. Select Event Type as on Form Submit. And then click on Save. Choose your Google account. Click on Advanced. Go to WhatsApp Updates. Click on Allow. Now go to Automation Builder and click on Capture Incoming Webhook. Now let's fill our form once. Name, enter WhatsApp number and click on Submit. Now in the Automation Builder, data is received. Thank you.